Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what BMO is and what services BMO offers. BMO stands for the Bank of Montreal, which is a major multinational financial institution and one of the largest banks in North America. Established back in 1817, it functions as a prominent diversified financial services provider serving millions of retail, commercial, and institutional customers across Canada, the United States, and globally. To understand how BMO operates, it helps to look at its core service offerings across different sectors. First is personal banking. BMO provides everyday retail banking solutions for individuals. This includes checking and savings accounts, everyday debit cards, lines of credit, and specialized products like health savings accounts and certificates of deposit. They also offer a comprehensive suite of credit cards tailored for cashback, travel rewards, and credit building purposes. Second is lending and mortgages. The bank assists customers with major financing needs by offering fixed-rate and adjustable-rate mortgages, refinancing options, home equity lines of credit, and private student loans. These lending tools are structured to support both first-time homebuyers and experienced property owners. Third is commercial and business banking. BMO works extensively with small businesses, middle-market companies, and large corporations. Business services cover specialized checking accounts, commercial loans, treasury management, cash management solutions, and industry-specific financing to help businesses scale operations and manage day-to-day cash flow. Fourth is wealth management and investing. Through divisions like BMO Wealth Management, BMO Nesbitt Burns, and self-directed investing platforms, the institution provides private banking, financial planning, trust services, portfolio management, and retirement planning options such as individual retirement accounts. Fifth is capital markets. Operating under BMO Capital Markets, the firm delivers corporate banking, foreign exchange, fixed income and equity trading, debt and equity underwriting, and advisory services to institutional and corporate clients worldwide. With a massive footprint of physical branches and advanced digital banking systems, BMO bridges traditional retail services with high-level corporate finance, making it a comprehensive institution in the North American financial landscape. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.